Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the simple equation chapter 4 7th CBSE, in that most important topic or most interesting topic, that is how to solve an equation, how to do that, how to proceed. Fine. So I have taken here 6 questions, mostly they are different. Fine. So we are going to solve today 6 different problems, so that you will understand to how to solve an equation. So let us start with the first question. First question, x plus 3 equal to minus 1. Now we have to solve the equation. That means you have to find the value of the variable, numerical value of the variable. Here variable is x, right? So you have to find the value of x. Now keep x on the left hand side. Mostly you have to keep x on the left hand side, or you can keep it on the right hand side. Mostly the questions will be based on the left hand side, or we can keep the x value or the x variable on the left hand side. Okay, fine. Now what you have to do, take the other constants or any other things to the right side. I will show you the question. Fine. How to proceed this question. X plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So x you keep this side, left hand side. Now 3 is a constant. Take that 3 that side. That means right hand side. When this is plus 3, right? Whenever plus moves towards the right hand side from left to right, it is jumping from this equality sign is there between this left hand side and right hand side. It is jumping from here to the right side. Whenever this is plus, when it goes to the right side, it will become minus sign. It becomes minus sign. Now you see how equality sign comes, it jumps from here, so it will become minus 1. You have to first write. Whenever any right hand side anything is there, first write that thing, then this number you have to write. That goes that side, that means minus 3, right? Why minus 3? Because here it was plus. When it jumped from LHS to RHS, this becomes minus. Fine. Then what is the value of x? Minus 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 4, right? I hope you know this, how to calculate this. Minus 1 minus 3, addition you have to do, 4, answer minus sign. Fine. So the x is equal to 4 you got. So that means the solution of this given equation is minus 4. Fine. Let us go to the second question. X minus 2 is equal to 1. Here variable is x, so you have to keep the x on the left hand side and keep the other things on the right hand side. So you have to move the other things to the right hand side. So x you keep here, then write equality sign. Fine. Minus 2 we have to take it to the right hand side. 1 is already there on the right hand side, so you have to write first that thing, then minus 2. Whenever minus jumps that side, it will become plus. You remember one thing, minus whenever it goes to right hand side, it becomes plus. Plus whenever it goes to right hand side or left hand side, it jumps. When it jumps, it becomes minus. Minus plus plus minus. Fine. Now x we got, so x is equal to 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. So x value we got at as 3. So solution of this equation is 3. Then what about the third question? So 4x plus 3 is equal to 12. You have to keep the x alone. That means on the left hand side you have to keep x alone. Fine. So first take the other things to the right hand side. So what we'll write? We'll write 4x equal to 12 plus 3 is there. Whenever it goes to right hand side, it will become minus 3. Fine. Then this becomes 4x is equal to 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9. Now 4x is equal to 9. So we need to get the x value, not the 4x value. So for getting the 4x value, we need to shift this 4 that side. Now 4x meaning is 4 is multiplied with x, right? Whenever this 4 we are multiplying, yeah, it is multiplied. So whenever it goes to the right hand side, it gets divided. So remember one more thing, multiplication gets divided and division gets multiplied whenever it jumps. So 4 you have to shift that side. So x value becomes 9 divided by 4. Because here it was multiplied, whenever it comes to the right hand side it gets divided. So 9 divided by 4. So this is the value of x. We need to find the value of x, not the value of any other things. Right? Now next question. So you might be thinking, where is the x variable? So you have to remember variable can be any alphabets. So here it is taken as m. So m is the variable, you have to find the value of m. Here you can see 4 bracket is there. So how to proceed this question? First you need to open the bracket. That means 4 is multiplied with this whole bracket. So you need to open this bracket. How to open this bracket? You need to multiply 4, I'll show you. M plus 3, right? Equal to 18. So multiply 4 with m first. 4 into m is 4m, right? Then plus sign is there. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is how much? 12. I hope you understood. I'll tell you once again. 4 into m you have to do. Fine. 4m plus sign is there. 4 into 3, that is 12. Then equal to 18. Okay. First you need to open the bracket. If a question in this format is given, you have to open the bracket. Then what you have to do? Proceed in the same way. 4m plus 12 is equal to 18. Now you have to shift the other things to the right hand side. So 4m becomes 18 minus 12, right? 18 is there in RHS. You have to shift plus 12 that side, plus when it goes to the right hand side it will become minus. So 4m is equal to 18 minus 12. So 4m will be equal to 18 minus 12 is how much? It is nothing but 6. Then we need to find the value of m, not the value of 4m. So 4 is multiplied with m, right? So when you shift the 4 that side, it is multiplied with m. So when it goes to that side, it gets divided. So m is equal to 6 by 4. It is similar to the third question, right? So m value we got. Now what about the fifth question? In fifth question, the same procedure you have to follow. Minus 2 into the bracket is given. So open the bracket first. Minus 2 into m minus 2m plus minus 2 into 6 plus minus 2 into 3 minus 6, right? Equal to 6. Open the bracket. Now minus 2m plus minus is minus 6 is equal to 6, right? Now minus 2m, shift the other things, constants that side. Minus 2m is equal to minus 6 when it goes right hand side, so it becomes plus 6. Then minus 2m is equal to 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So we need to find the value of m. So you have to shift minus to that side. It is multiplied with this thing, m, right? So when it goes to the right hand side, it gets divided. So 12 by minus 2. You need to take the minus also. So it becomes minus 6, right? I hope you understood the first question also. Let us go to the last question, that is sixth question. Here you can see 3p by 4 equal to 6. You need to find the value of p. So shift the other things that side, right hand side. So 3p by 4 is equal to 6. So 4 is there. First shift this 4 to the right hand side, right? 4, it's divided here, over here. You can see it is divided. So when it goes to the right hand side, it gets multiplied. See, division gets multiplication sign. So division, multiplication, then multiplication, division. So division here, division is happening here. 4 is divided here. When it goes to the right hand side, it becomes multiplied. It gets multiplied. So 3b is equal to 6 into 4, right? I hope you understood. 3p is equal to 6 into 4. 4 is divided here, so when it goes that side, it gets multiplied. Now 3p is equal to 6 4s are 24, right? Now you need to find the value of p. Then p becomes 24 divided by 3, right? How? See, 3 is multiplied with p. So when it goes to the right hand side, it gets divided. So 24 divided by p. So p value is we got. Fine. So I hope you understood this all 6 questions. Fine. This is a method that you can follow to find the values of the variables. Okay. To solve an equation, you need to find the values of numerical values of the variables given. Fine. The variable may be different for different questions. Maybe it may be m, x, y, z, anything. Right.